There. So I've got an eye pattern here. And I think this eye is going to be too big for George's eyes, but I think it's going to be perfect for doing the eye sockets, which should be a little bigger than the eye. There's the center line.
It looks like Enigma for Batman. When you
Yeah,
put the eyes down.
yeah, well, creepy.
Creepy.
And we'll just trace that here and there.
Paul Cocker is saying that's amazing. Guess 3846, would it work to cover the forehead to match instead of cutting away to get rid of the line?
Yeah, it would, and I think that's a lot of times I would do that, but again here, I'm really trying to keep that narrow Clooney head. And I was worried that if I put it up here, then the top of the head would start to get a little bulbous compared. It probably would have been okay in retrospect looking at it now, but I thought, let me go ahead and trim it and see where that happens. So we've got the eyes in there. They're roughly straight enough. And so I'm going to mark a line about halfway through, there. And then we're going to poke through here with our scissors and snip the front half of the foam all the way through. That's where the big scissors kind of help. What is back there? Oh, you know what I mean? There's the little foam core inner mouth wedge there that I'm running up against. You shall not resist me. And then what we do is we take this and then we push it in. So that is going to create a little eye socket.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.